Hello, 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 morning, my good people. Hey guys, I often find that success in just about everything is just a series of habits that you can form. Habits where it gets to the point where you don't even think about it. You just do it. You even just find yourself doing it without really even thinking like whether I should do this or that, right? So I often find that the first 30 days are really the most critical in terms of like trying to form any new habit, right? So one of the habits that I'm trying to really push on myself is drinking like way more water than I actually drink regularly, right? And then unfortunately, one of the drawbacks is I find myself just going to the bathroom like constantly in the bathroom because like all that excess water that I'll be drinking. Um, but i but I think it's worth it because it helps me along, especially on days when I'm trying to do my intermittent fasting. Actually, I'm trying to do intermittent fasting every day anyway. So yeah, that's just one of the habits that I'm trying to really instill. What are the habits that you guys find actually help you along your keto journey? Comment below. Anyway, guys, have a great day. I'm off to work. Bye.